Hello everyone, on this video I'm gonna present you about the commentary of KREM Puri. KREM Puri is located at the northeastern state of India in Meghalaya. It is situated in the Mawsynram region at Laitsohum village. KREM Puri is the longest sandstone cave in the world. Inside the world's longest sandstone cave in Meghalaya, the temperature is always 16 to 17 degrees Celsius, no matter what the temperature is outside. So while the rest of the world deals with the consequence of climate change, the KREM Puri cave is shielded from it. While measuring, the KREM Puri is 24,585 meters in length or 24.5 kilometers. The cave was discovered in 2016 and it is near the Laitsohum village in Mawsynram, East Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. The word KREM Puri is Khasi for fairy cave or cave fairy. A cave is made of low solubility sandstone. One of the reasons for the uniqueness of this cave is that it is made of sandstone, while caves usually are made of limestone. Sandstone have low solubility, so a high amount of rainwater is required to dissolve enough to form a cave. Rainwater brings carbon dioxide from the air, which turns into acid and dissolves the rocks. A high amount of rainfall has never been an issue for Mawsynram, which is identified as the wettest place on earth. KREM Puri is situated at 4,025 feet above sea level. The cave overlooks a deep valley with its opening at the base of the steep cliff and is known for its complex cave system. Entering through a small narrow passage, one must crawl inwards. The hurdles to cross are many, including two huge boulders that can be crossed only by stepping over them or squeezing through sideways. Depending on the season, a stream also runs through the cave that can have varying amounts of waters. Both living and non-living objects of fascination are observed in the cave, such as stalactites, stalagmites, giant spiders, frogs, and fish. As mentioned in the report by the BBC Italian cave explorers Francesco Sauro said that they have identified a few shark teeth and discovered some bones that could be related to the marine dinosaur. Common animals that populated the sea more than 60 million years ago, but many of these are in areas of the cave that are extremely difficult and dangerous to reach. Meghalaya, particularly the Mawsynram and Sora region, is known for its cave, with many unexplored and uncharted systems waiting to be discovered. The heavy rainfall in this region contributes to the formation of this cave over time. The result is not yet final. There are some caves that have not yet explored. While many of the Meghalaya caves are tourist attractions, KREM Puri, given its challenging terrain, is mainly for professional spelunkers and researchers. However, the state has numerous other caves that can be visited by tourists. If you are considering a visit or exploration, it will be wise to check with local authorities or tours operators who can provide updated information and guidelines for safety. So thank you so much for watching. This is all about the documentary of KREM PURI.